You might think it's impossible that a person using a laptop in another country can help you scale your business. Well, I've listed 13 properties on Airbnb and maintain a 5-star rating. This will be impossible business as well. And once you understand everything explained in this video, you will see how easy it is. So what is a virtual assistant? So a virtual assistant is someone with an administrative skill set or an analytical skill set who can help you with defined tasks in your businesses. I mean, these people are usually abroad in the Philippines, India, or third world countries, and you pay them £3 or $3 an hour up to $5 based on their skill set to perform a task. So you can have them on a contract basis for various hours, 10-hour contract, 20-hour contract, and 50-hour contract, someone working full-time in your business. So it's important to have these people because they will save you time, they will reduce the workload in your business. As a business owner, you focus on working above the business, not inside the business. So the VAs can actually help you with guest communication, listing your property, calendar management, admin stuff, customer services, taking calls from guests, helping guests with questions. So everything which you don't want to do and which you think is low value, a VA for hours, they need to be trained. You have to take precautions when giving access to sensitive information. So you can sign NDAs, so non-disclosure agreements with your VAs. So this means the information within your business, they can't disclose it. I know they can be abroad, so maybe the contract can be bounded by the jurisdiction which they're in, the country which they reside in. So you can actually sign things which abide by that country. So if they break the laws in the UK, and you can actually take them to court in the country which they live in. Not all VAs have these same skill sets, and I know some VAs are cheap and they can cause trouble, but once you've got the contracts and the correct things in place, you can actually get a good quality VA who abides by the rules, abides by the laws, and they do everything to help your business grow. So we've got VAs in my business. They look after the guest communication. They look after the accounts. So filling in accounts, administrative. So if the guest checks in, the amount the guest is paid, they fill up that on a spreadsheet, and on a monthly basis we send that to an accountant. The VAs help with also optimizing the listings, changing the pictures around, all these things which is with the guests. So they make sure they check the external camera to see if the guest has gone in and to see if the guest hasn't brought in additional guests, because for our properties we charge per guest which goes in. So the VAs can check external cameras. We don't have internal cameras, it's only external cameras which look outside for the guest security as well. You can find VAs on hiring platforms like People Per Hour. There's so many hiring platforms, and most of these VAs are usually based in the Philippines or in India or other third world countries where you can pay them $3 to $5 an hour per task, or you can hire them on a task basis, or you can hire the VAs on a monthly basis or on a certain amount of hours a week. So it's basically up to you how you want to use the VAs or how you optimize the VA. I mean, even if you're starting off and you've got one property, I'll suggest hiring a VA, and maybe you can give them a 10-hour contract. So they're helping you throughout your business for 10 hours a week. It doesn't have to be a lot of money. 10 hours a week, that's $40, $50 a week. You'll be paying your VA. But when you scale up, you reduce the workload because they've already know your business and you've already got a system in place. Even if this VA leaves, you can get another VA and you use that same training video to help them out. So yes, we've been using VAs in our business, and I just wanted to share this video with you. If you're considering hiring a VA, don't waste time thinking about it. Go on Facebook groups which are service accommodation groups and look for VAs there. There are VAs. Go on VA specific Facebook groups as well, and you find a VA who's got property knowledge and who can help you with the admin stuffs or with the admin task in your business. I hope you found this video useful, and if you'd like to learn more about starting an Airbnb business and scaling your Airbnb like how I've done, growing my business to 13 properties, 6 properties which are owned by myself, and there are 7 other properties which are leased from landlords, and with the help of VAs we automate the business and I work above the business, not inside the business. Click on the link below and book a consultation call with me, which is a free one as well, or download one of my Airbnb guides which will help you start and scale your Airbnb business. Thank you for watching this video.